This 245 came out early.
Yes.
Actually, 245.
Yeah, they should wait because they need to pay.
409. I think the train got too early. That's why.
Yeah.
245. 45.
You can see it's like slowing down.
557.
And then now speeding up, slowing down.
It's leaving. 409 leaving.
Yeah.
I think came early, then the sequence a bit messed up.
Yeah. Can be like that lah. Yep.
Now when 005, 006 arrive,
Okay, no train stop there. So this train came out slightly too early.
Correct.
Yeah, so you can see that in the video lah.
Yeah. This train came out too early.
It's
That's
meant
why-
to, it's meant to be.
That's why
four-
just now it was stabling there for that train to go up.
So basically, it's meant to be 407 and 245 and 409.
Yeah.
try to ride.
But you can't ride it here though.
I know. Must go here first.
Yeah, northbound.
085, 086. Walao eh, they trick one.
085
Eh?
kena treat.
Wow.
Oh yeah, 085. At least it's a KHI though.
Yeah, this 085, 086.
Yep.
409 in butter, so next
No,
train
it's a train spot, it's not Q2.
is behind. 4 trains
Okay,
behind.
so must wait for 005, 006.
Yeah.
4 trains behind.
Correct.
Looks like it's not 431 or 005, 006.
Yeah. 409.
Then 410
719 720.
just left.
Yeah.
Shoot 410 then 431 come here.
673, 674.
Yep.
431 come here, then 246 here. 246 is the next train, right?
Yep, correct.
Check out.
Yeah, you check. Should be should be 246.
Yeah, it's 246. 409 is here, 410. The 410 leave, next train 246, then 431 comes here. 431 is here, then 246 is
409 410 246.
246 will be 431. 431 comes here, then 246 is the next one. Yeah, currently this is 410, 409.
Yeah, 673.
And now it's approaching.
Yes.
Yo, yeah, then you can zoom in. Camera's very sharp.
Hmm.
You can zoom in 10 times. It'll be more better. Ah, yes. Very
Yep,
good.
the light's getting closer, which means it's approaching.
It's coming soon. Can see the light. Wow, it's so bright in the tunnel. But the red light is very dim. The red light is very dim.
I know.
Yeah, very dark also.
T435.
Only the yellow light will be brighter.
Yeah.
083, 084 is running on T435.
Welcome back.
085.
Yeah, welcome back 085 086.
Welcome back.
Oh, 023, 024 is running on T435.
Oh, wow. Double leh. 8990. Yeah.
Hey, tell them to apply. Why are they staying? Wait a minute.
Huh?
Why are these people staying?
Don't know.
It's the same.
Must ask them.
Go, press the wrong button. Yeah, press the wrong button. Wow, lucky. If it's easy to jalan. Probably no, you accidentally press it.
Oh, they are like
KHI double meet up and we have Gerald. Welcome.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, 412.
It's coming. Austin coming.
55556. Yeah. Yeah. 410 is still here. Whoa, horn! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, it horn!
I know what's that.
673, 674.
Oh my god, I hate that set. I don't like that set. Very annoying.
But it horn eh?
Stupid, I hate it.
I don't like silver horn beat. Always spam on the NSL. My friend Adik also don't like it.
Oh, why do you horn? I didn't ask you to horn.
Wow, 673 horn eh?
Oh, wait. I didn't ask. Why do you horn?
673, 674.
No, I don't want this to horn.
But sadly, I already wrote it quite a lot of times already.
I wrote it quite a number of times.
For me also, same.
Yo, say welcome 065.
Yeah. Not 065, 005.
005.
Welcome back 005.
Hello 005, 006. So long I haven't been writing you on the NSL.
56. Welcome back 005.
Yep.
Oh yeah, someone's calling.